Hi, my name is Anhydrous and welcome to my channel. My background is I'm a beauty therapist, holistic therapist, and I've been in the skincare beauty industry for 30 years. Long time, right? But that's your quick intro. Today's video is all about 101. I'll tell you everything you need to know. I'm going to do a demonstration, what to use before, what to use after, conflicts, etc, etc. about the ordinary ascorbic acid 8% and alpha arbutin 2%. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First of all, talk about the benefits of using vitamin C in your skincare routine. So first of all, it boosts collagen and elastin production, which keeps us young, firm and glowing. Vitamin C also gives you that beautiful youthful glow. It's great for hyperpigmentation, so it brightens the skin, it evens out the skin tone. Also good for acne because it reduces inflammation, it reduces redness in the skin, and is one of the most powerful antioxidants. Let's not forget the potent anti-aging benefits. It smooths out them lines and wrinkles, which we all need when we're getting on a bit. Right? What is the ideal percentage of vitamin C that you should look for? Because you see all these different percentages. So they go anywhere from 5% to 30%. The ideal percentage is anywhere between 10% and 20%. Now, the ideal form of vitamin C to use is L-ascorbic acid, which is actually what is in this from the ordinary. This is an 8% solution. So with the added bonus of alpha arbutin, alpha arbutin is very gentle on the skin. So thus we come to vitamin C can sometimes be irritating for sensitive skin types. So that's where vitamin C derivatives would be better for sensitive skin. However, the percentage in this is not too high, and that's where you can use vitamin C derivatives. What I'm actually going to be using within this routine is actually from Roche Posay, the antioxidant serum, which is actually a vitamin C derivative. So this is actually very safe to use with this because it's not pure vitamin C, it's not ascorbic acid. Solution from the ordinary is what we term as an anhydrous solution. If I'm saying it right, I will pop it on the screen. But what that means is it's water-free and it's oil-free. Now it does feel slightly oily when it goes on the skin, as you will see in the demo, but it actually dries down, it doesn't feel oily. So what is alpha arbutin? What does it do for the skin? So it's actually found in the bearberry plant. It's a very gentle ingredient, but it's potent also because it's a great skin brightener. It reduces melanin in the skin, so it reduces hyperpigmentation, and it's actually known as the natural hydroquinone. Hydroquinone is actually banned in some countries because it is an actual bleaching agent for the skin. So now we're going to get into the demo. I'm going to show you how to use the ascorbic acid and alpha arbutin. So without further ado, let's get into it. So hi guys, I'm back, all double cleansed and ready to go. Glad to take the day off because the humidity today was unbelievable. And if you hear a background noise, I'm now recording at night time because I'm recording after a day of work, and you're hearing the cute little tree frogs outside. So without further ado, let's get to it. So when we are going to apply ascorbic acid, 8% and alpha arbutin, let's just call it A&A, okay? When we're going to apply this, it's an anhydrous solution, as I said before. So you apply this after your water-based serums. So let's begin. So first I'm going to use La Roche Posay thermal spring water spray, okay? Because we're going to apply hyaluronic acid first and your skin has to be damp, okay? So either leave your skin, you know, damp from just cleansing and then apply your hyaluronic acid, or like what I did, or you can use your toner as long as it's a gentle hydrating toner. So what does the thermal spring water do? So that is rich in mineral salts, excellent for sensitive skin, and it also has illegal elements in it such as selenium. So that's also antioxidants. So let's apply the hyaluronic acid. So I'm going to apply 3 drops of this sticky stuff, or you would apply marine hyaluronics or whatever water-based serum you have. So even though it's humid right now, for some reason my skin is a little bit drier, so this is why I'm applying hyaluronic acid instead of marine hyaluronics. So you smooth it onto the skin and then pat it down. You do not pat it down straight away. That does not make sense that people do that. So you have to have patience for this, because as we know, this is a sticky bugger. But hyaluronic acid, you know, to plump the skin, holds 1,000 times its weight in water. You've heard it all before. Excellent hydration, etc, etc, but not in a dry climate, because it will pull and it will actually can make your skin more dehydrated, if you catch my drift. Now, if you're really impatient and you cannot wait on your hyaluronic acid drying, invest in the fan, you know, and then, you know, it will dry a bit quicker. So now, let's see. Yes, we've dried down pretty quick, so obviously my skin for some reason right now is a little bit more dehydrated than usual. Because I meant to say to you, my skin is obviously mature, and normally I am oily and very sensitive, so you know, okay? But, you know, the skin changes day by day. Sometimes we're not drinking enough water, right? So now I'm going to apply 3 drops of A&A for short. Now, I am going to do this slightly different. I'll explain in a minute. But what you would normally do, you can use, apart from EUK 134, you can use the other antioxidants in the ordinary. That goes perfect with vitamin C. Because my sunscreen is an antioxidant serum form, I have did a review on this. This is La Roche Posay and Anhydrous, and this has vitamin C derivatives, so it also has vitamin E and bicalin, so it's perfect to go with what I'm doing. Now, normally you would apply your ordinary moisturising factors plus HA, and then your sunscreen at the end, if your sunscreen, right, mine is in a serum form, so that's why I'm going to apply it now, okay? But if yours is different and it's in more of a regular cream form, you would apply your moisturising factors plus HA and then your sunscreen at the end. So now I am going to apply Anhydrous AOX. This is SPF 50, and this is a daily antioxidant serum. This is absolutely beautiful, perfect for sensitive skin, and as I say, because it's vitamin C derivative, it's not pure vitamin C, it's perfectly fine to use with this. So I am showing you what I would do in my routine, because I was using the Rock vitamin C serum, but now I'm on to trying A&A. And so far so good. I love both of the serums that I've tried so far for vitamin C, from Rock and from The Ordinary. So I have already went through the benefits of what this does. And this, by the way, is $11. It's water-free, oil-free, silicone-free, vegan, gluten-free, and $11. I mean, come on, who can... Absolute bargain, right? So as you can see, I'm really glowing. Got to glow up. Benefits of your serum, as I said before, and I'll probably write it on the screen, is it evens out the skin tone. It's going to fade hyperpigmentation, etc, etc. So then you put on, this is the Ordinary again, the natural moisturising factors plus HA. Hyaluronic acid all the way, baby. So, Very simple. And if you are still hesitant about how to layer your skincare, please look at my video that's specifically for that, because you know it also goes by the texture of your ingredients, you know. With the ordinary, after this, because first of all you use, the way to layer in the ordinary is the water-based first, right? Anhydrous solution, which this is, which is water-free, oil-free solution. Then you would use an oil, but you know, I think oils are really best applied at night time, not in the daytime, no way. And then your order after that would be emulsion and then SPF. So that's it. Very simple to get your glow on. So let's talk about the conflicts, what you cannot use when you're using ascorbic acid and alpha-arbutin. You cannot use it in the same routine as peptides, copper peptides, retinoids, other pure vitamin C, benzoyl peroxide, niacinamide and EUK134, and also diuretic. Talk about the packaging and the storage. So with the ordinary ascorbic acid here, you'll see it comes in an amber bottle. That's to protect it from sunlight, because vitamin C is easy to destabilize. So when you're storing your vitamin C, make sure you keep it away from direct sunlight, and it has to be in a cool, dry place, and make sure you always close the cap tightly after use so it doesn't oxidize, because if it does oxidize, it's not going to be any good for your skin. So that's it. That's your 101 on the ordinary ascorbic acid 8% and alpha-arbutin 2%. I hope you found this helpful. If there's any questions, please don't hesitate to leave me a comment in the comment section. And until the next skincare video, I will say adios and over and out. And thank you for watching. Bye.